Hi! In front of me is LENOVO Tab Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by going into settings and choosing more connections right away. Then tap on printing, default print service, and over here just wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. In order to use a different service, hit Add Service below the default one. Install the best one for your printer. And when it's ready, go back to the same settings. Lastly, just click on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!